wait another night. One more night, one more night.
All right, you guys, so I just got done with a 12-hour shift at the hospital. I'm a nurse. I work on the postpartum labor delivery floor. So I thought I'd show you my routine after work by myself with my toddler. I definitely live by a routine now, so that's how we like survive, is by a routine. So I thought I'd take you along from the minute I get out of work until the minute my head hits the pillow.
I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change.
Okay, so I am at the daycare and I'm about to go in, but they did text me earlier telling me that Grayson has a low grade temperature and he hasn't been feeling good today, so this just turned into a completely different kind of night. I'm gonna still try to go through our normal routine, but I'll definitely have to add in I might have to add in some like Tylenol or figure out how he's feeling and go from there. And I'm not sure if I'm still gonna give him a bath, because I definitely today would have been the bath day. But I'll just have to see how he's feeling and what he's up for.
Just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer, oh, I know we will be better, oh, I can leave the truth, shut the blinds I could deny. One more night, one more night. I want a blister full, everyone that it's alright. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer,
Okay, so for dinner, I definitely like to try to have stuff already made, meal prepped in a way. So I just have some shredded chicken breast, some seasoned potatoes, and just peas and carrots for me and Grayson. So he has, oh, thank you. So he has the same thing, and just with a little bit of barbecue sauce. He's a little cranky because he doesn't feel good. And some juice. The thing I love about the shredded chicken is that I can mix this with different things like barbecue sauce or buffalo sauce, put it on a salad, put it on a sandwich, whatever, and it works. So after, yes, Friends is on. So after dinner, I do kind of just leave the kitchen. I mean, while he's finishing that up, I do try to clean up, like get stuff put in the fridge. But I do try to get stuff put in the refrigerator. But if I don't, that's okay. I'll just come back to it. I'm gonna go get his bath ready because we do have some things that we're gonna be doing tomorrow. So just in case he's feeling better, I want him to be clean and bathed, and not all like snotty and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go get the bath ready.
Be okay. 'Cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, if I wait till the summer, but if I wait till the summer, I know you will be better.
Okay guys, so we finished dinner. He took a very quick bath. His hair's still a little wet. Did a quick brush. We normally brush his teeth, but he loves the bath and he just cried the entire time. So I just try to make it as quick as possible. And it was like lukewarm water, nothing too cold or too hot. I need to take his temperature, but I think he might go to sleep just fine without anything, because he doesn't feel like so warm that he needs like Tylenol or anything. So I think he'll be okay. But he's probably just gonna fall asleep on my chest, and I'm gonna cuddle for a while because I feel like that is good therapy for both of us. And then I will finish off my like nighttime routine, because I definitely still have stuff on the in the kitchen out that needs to be put away, and dishes that need to be washed and put away. So we're just gonna snuggle for a while. Real life moment. My bed does not get made at 4 in the morning when I have to go to work. This is basically what it looks like when I have to go to work in the morning. I make my bed on the days that I'm off because I love having a made bed, but honestly 4 in the morning I get myself put together the best I can, like brush my teeth, brush my hair, get dressed, and get the baby in the car. And probably have like a glass of wine or something. But basically, Grayson, I didn't give him any Tylenol or anything because when I was holding him, he didn't feel that warm to me. And I don't want to give it to him just like because. Okay, so this is the part of the night that I kind of figure out what I need to do or what I want to do for the rest of the evening. I think tonight I'm gonna just edit this video and have a glass of wine and just relax. I definitely don't do very much cleaning on the nights that I work because I do work a 12-hour shift. I got up at 4 o'clock this morning. I have a sick baby. I'm not gonna be cleaning. I take that back. I think I'm gonna do a load of laundry because I haven't done a load of laundry in several days. Luckily, it's just me and Grayson right now. So I am gonna jump in the shower. I'm gonna snuggle with my Dexter boy for a minute. What do you think, Dexter boy? What do you think? Ah. Ow. What do you think? Oh, yeah. He doesn't get as many snuggles as he used to. Oh my gosh. Okay. Moving on. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I guess I wanted to mention first though a little bit of like why I was by myself tonight. I'm by myself many nights. I haven't mentioned this before, I don't think, that my husband's in the military and there are definitely times that he's away. This is one of those times. I'm not really gonna get into the details of like how long he's away or why or where he's at or anything like that, but he is away for a while. Well, I'll tell you that much. And I've definitely realized that with Grayson and stuff, that a routine is like what keeps us on track and what keeps me going every day, I guess. Or it would definitely make me feel very like scatterbrained and kind of like anxious if we didn't do our routine. Everything else in between, like what we do for that day for playing or going somewhere or going outside and stuff like that, that changes. But those like sleep times and dinner time is definitely a routine and I've been sticking to it, and I think it really helps with his sleeping and everything like that. Okay guys, I'll see you next time.